Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, September 9th, 2025. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, CDM number 9. High pressure is in control today, providing a nice northeasterly wind around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Temperatures range from the upper 40s to mid 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s in your suburbs, and mid 60s on the I-95 corridor. It is absolutely beautiful out. Enjoy it while you can, because tomorrow is going to be a little bit more unsettled. With that northeasterly wind, though, it's going to keep things rather cool. So a nice start to fall, right? Not too bad. When we take a look at the latest radar and surface map from WeatherTap, you can see high pressure's in control here, but you see this frontal boundary out here. Well, this is going to be a area of interest for us for tomorrow as a wave of low pressure develops along this frontal boundary and pushes some showers right on the immediate coast here. In fact, this forecast is going to be a little bit tricky. Let's take a look at some of the data here. First, I want to show you the upper level winds. I was showing this in the premium video, and we go into more detail on the lifting parameters here. So definitely, if you're interested in that, definitely check that out. It's only $15 a month to become a premium member. This feature here and this feature here are a little bit out of sync. If they were aligned up just right, this could have been a pretty nice coastal storm, but it's a little bit off. And that little difference means that the bulk of the lifting associated with this feature here is going to remain over the coastal waters. So on our visible satellite picture, you can see the development of the onshore flow starting to take shape here with that northeasterly wind at the surface, more of a light and variable type wind over the interior. So you'll see these high clouds start to increase as we go on through the day along the coast. Scattered cloud cover over the interior, pretty much is sunny. But as we move into the evening, some of these mid-level clouds are going to start to back into the immediate coastal plain, leading to increasing clouds throughout tonight into tomorrow morning. Taking a step back on the infrared satellite picture, our upper level low in the subtropical jet stream is here. Our moisture gradient here between the Western Atlantic Ridge and our polar/maritime air mass, right, with high pressure up here. So as this feature jumps here and interacts with this moisture, it produces a low pressure system. Also with the thermal gradient, it starts to intensify, and some of this moisture backs into the coast. Many locations away from the coast will barely have a tenth of an inch of rain out of this, if that. Cloudy skies, sure. An isolated shower, maybe. Especially over eastern Pennsylvania, even western New Jersey. But the immediate New Jersey coast and portions of Long Island, especially on the south side of Long Island, will have the potential for some of these showers capable of heavy downpours. So you could see Belmar getting an inch of rain, and Freehold, which is in central New Jersey, central Monmouth County, barely getting a tenth of an inch of rain. Or Trenton getting a hundredth of an inch of rain, a trace of rain, while portions of New York City gets an inch and a half of rain. It all depends on where exactly the shower is lining up. And this is going to be a bit of a tricky forecast. And we're not even in winter yet. So fun times, that is for sure. So for today, tranquil conditions are in place with an onshore wind leading to increasing cloud cover, high temperatures in the lower to mid 70s for tonight into tomorrow. Look for clouds to increase. Showers start to develop in the morning hours along the immediate coast. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s in your suburbs, lower to mid 60s in your urban areas and on the immediate coast. For tomorrow afternoon, again, watch out for some of these showers right along the immediate coast. Some scattered showers start to push into the I-95 corridor, but that's going to be more of a rarity. You're going to see most of this rainfall focus on the immediate coast here setting up. So again, definitely a cloudy day. Temperatures will range from the upper 60s to lower 70s throughout the region with that onshore flow in place, and certainly a challenging forecast. So keep an eye on the updates this afternoon as I get more data. For tomorrow night into Thursday, high pressure builds back in with clearing skies. Look for low temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s in your suburbs, lower 60s in your urban areas. High temperatures will rebound into the mid 70s over the interior and along the coast, upper 70s to lower 80s on the I-95 corridor. Friday, high pressure remains in control with scattered cloud cover expected. Look for low temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast, and high temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 70s throughout the region. Now on Saturday and Sunday, we're going to have a trough hanging around the region with variable cloud cover and a threat for a few isolated showers. Now, because of what we call instability in the atmosphere, some of these showers will be capable of a brief heavy downpour, but most locations will just have a mix of sun and clouds. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast, and high temperatures in the lower to mid 70s along the immediate coast, mid to upper 70s everywhere else. On Monday and Tuesday, another trough hangs around the region, which again is going to open up the potential for variable cloud cover and isolated showers. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast, and high temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s over the northern interior, mid 70s on the I-95 corridor, and lower to mid 70s along the coast. That is your forecast discussion for today. It's going to be an interesting one. In the meantime, stay safe out there.